I'm making corn soup this time. It's a delicious warm soup to help fight the cold weather. It's a pretty simple recipe. You only need smoked ham hock, sweet corn, and eggs. I'll start by boiling some water. I'll add the ham hock and some salt. The smoked ham hock has a nice sweet aroma. Since I didn't boil it beforehand, a lot of impurities will start forming up. I'll strain it out to get a nice clear broth. I'll leave it on a rolling boil for about 45 minutes. The ham hock is full of tendon, cartilage, and fat, which will make the soup rich and creamy. I'll add the canned corn and the corn water. It actually does have a nice corny taste. The corn will add some nice texture and sweetness, and it'll balance the strong hamminess. Now I'll add the eggs. Oh wait, not like that. I first need to separate the egg whites and the egg yolk. Then I thin it with some water and beat them. I'll stir up the soup and slowly pour in the egg. So the seasoning is pretty basic. In addition to salt, I'll just add a lot of white pepper and a lot of black pepper. I boiled the soup for 1 more hour. It's late and I can't leave the soup boiling for too long, so I'll start snipping the tough skin to help it cook quicker. To help it thicken, I'll get some cornstarch, dissolve it, and pour it in. The soup thickness looks good about now. The corn soup is ready to serve, and I like it with some rice. Needs more pepper. Good job.